Anhinga, also known as the snake ball, can be found in woody marshes, ponds, and waterways. They have a long, thin neck and a long, pointed bill, which is used to stab the fish while diving underwater. Although they share the same habitat with cormorants, Anhinga are different because of their much pointier bills and longer tail. The male Anhinga is black overall, with white on the wings and back, and sometimes gold speckling on the neck. Very different to the female. The Anhinga, known for its pointed head and long pointed bill. Superb diver, can spend minutes under the water. Then basks in the sun. Goodbye, Anhinga. Adios, my friend. Anhingas spend long periods underwater, sometimes showing only the head and neck above the surface. They are superb swimmers and can even go unnoticed by the untrained eyes, as you see here. Another similarity with cormorants would be that after a nice long dive, the anhingas would find a porch, spread out their wings, and open out their feathers to dry. They can remain in that position for a few minutes. The female anhinga has a brown neck and head of a similar size and shape to the male. They're distinguished by their color. Both the male and female will take on parental duties, and the anhinga chicks usually come white with a long pointed mouth and a little black on the tip of the tail. The chicks feed by sticking the head down the neck of the adult and taking fish from the stomach.